Hey guys, and welcome to what is a very strange video. This is going to be the last video with the Hilux for a little while, which makes me kind of sad. So, because New Zealand's gone into lockdown and I am currently in the South Island, I am not able to get the truck on a ferry to go home. So it is staying down here in Christchurch for the, well, I don't know how long, the foreseeable future, which sucks. Thankfully I've still got the cruiser that hasn't sold yet, so I'm holding on to that for a little bit longer. Yeah, this hasn't really gone to plan. Whole idea of this trip is to come down and explore the South Island, you know, for the most part by myself and have an awesome time. Instead I panic rushed back up to Christchurch yesterday, and I have a flight out of here tomorrow morning back home, which is very fortunate because I know a lot of people haven't managed to get home. So this morning I'm basically trying to get the truck ready to be parked up for a while. Thankfully I've got somebody who can drive it every week or so just to keep it all turning over, but yeah, for the most part it's not going to be used as an off-roader or as a camping vehicle, so I need to make sure it's in a state where it can be parked up for a while. Yeah, this is good times. That's alright. Let's I guess get into it. There's many things that I need to do. So just before I left I had a bull bar and winch put on the Hilux here. Minus the bonnet being up at the moment, it looks way cooler and has improved my approach angle hugely. And in the very minimal testing I got to do with it over the last couple of days, it has performed awesomely. Just been able to approach things without smacking the nudge bar or the bumper is pretty cool. So yeah, the guys at Kaizen Works did a real nice job putting it all in. I really like this bumper because there's no, there we go, camera. There's no bump cuts or anything that you need to do. It literally takes the old one, cut down the splash guards in the wheel arches and bolt it all on. As to the winch, we decided on a Runva, what is this one, 11XP. You can kind of see it down in there, the box nice and tightly up in the grill. Kaizen have done a really nice job of all the install. First job is to spool it all out and get the water out of it. It's been dunked in a couple of rivers and I haven't actually got to use it in anger yet, and everything going the way it is, I'm not going to be able to till quite a few months away. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Nice bar, it seems pretty well made. It has the DRLs, which I really like, and I like the kind of look of the lights on the front there. They kind of separate it from, you know, all the other ones that I've seen. So that's the winch dealt with, hopefully. Hopefully it stays all good while I'm away. So one odd thing about travelling on a trip like this is I brought all my tools, all my camping gear, everything that I was going to need basically for 2 weeks, and I'm having to leave it all here, which means when I get home, the Land Cruiser could do with a oil change and stuff like that, and I don't know, I can't remember what tools are in the garage. So there's strange little things that I'm gonna not have for a little while. Even camera gear, I'm not sure how much I can actually take home on this flight with me. I've got one suitcase and yeah, I have enough gear for a couple of weeks away. Like if we come around, so I look in the truck here, like, I apologise for the mess, but yeah, I've got everything in here. I'm taking my clothes out, but I've got everything in here all tucked up. Like, under there is a bunch of food and all that sort of stuff. Underneath the platform on the back is all my tools. Other stuff like, yeah, down under there. I have tools and all that sort of stuff tucked away. Clothes, full driving gear, like I'm not going to have any recovery gear or tire deflators or anything. Compressor up in Wellington once I get home. Just, yeah, all these really weird things. Yeah, it is all very first world problems, I don't deny that at all, but it's just odd thinking that all this stuff that I've got in this truck is gonna be where I'm not. So I'm gonna tidy it all up, basically get it ready. Feels kind of weird. And leaving this down here is an odd thing to be doing. Yeah, I want to say something intelligent now, but it's just strange, strange feeling. Slowly getting there, taking everything out of the tent, which is now on the ground. Pulled the mattress out just to try and get all the crap off it for us to go in storage. But yeah, it's looking pretty empty in there. Yeah, I don't know. It's almost ready to be packed away. So yeah, that's everything packed up and ready to go to be packed up for a little while. All the water's empty, all the food things have been cleaned up. Run the winch out, run it back in just to drain some of the water out of it. Interior is now clean, there's no more food or anything left in it. And I guess this is goodbye. Flip side is, it'll be down here, and when we do eventually come down to pick it up, perhaps we can go for a mini trip. Finish off what I was attempting to do this time. Till next time, stay safe. Remember to stay home if you're in a country or place where things are quarantined. You know, the more we stay at home and stay isolated, the quicker this thing will be over. And yeah, catch you next time on Overland NZ. Cheers.